Semiconductors, nanodevices and nanotechnology.
Semiconductor nanodevices are electronic devices made using semiconductor materials such as silicon, germanium, or gallium arsenide at the nanoscale level. These devices are tiny, with dimensions on the order of a few nanometers, which helps to manipulate and control the flow of electrical current and perform a wide range of functions. Examples: transistors, diodes, light-emitting diodes, LEDs, solar cells, and nanowires. One of the most significant advantages of semiconductor nanodevices is their ability to pack many transistors onto a single chip, leading to more powerful and efficient computing devices. The small size of these devices makes them ideal for applications such as sensors and medical devices. Nonetheless, semiconductor nanodevices have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including computing, energy, and medicine. What is a semiconductor? A semiconductor is a material that has electrical conductivity between a conductor, e.g., copper, and an insulator, e.g., rubber, and can be used to create electronic devices. Semiconductor materials, such as silicon, germanium, and gallium arsenide, are commonly used in electronic components such as diodes, transistors, and integrated circuits. Semiconductors are essential components in modern electronics and have revolutionized the field of information technology. The ability to control the electrical properties of these materials has led to the development of a wide range of devices, such as computer chips, solar cells, LED lights, and many more. How nanotechnology can connect with semiconductor device technology. Nanotechnology and semiconductor device technology are closely connected, as nanotechnology has played a significant role in developing semiconductor devices over the years. Semiconductor devices are made up of nanoscale materials and structures. The critical feature of semiconductor devices is the ability to control the behavior of electrons at the nanoscale. Nanotechnology is also improving the performance of existing semiconductor devices. For example, using nanomaterials to fabricate transistors can lead to improved device performance, including increased speed and reduced power consumption. Overall, nanotechnology has significantly impacted the development of semiconductor devices and is likely to be connected closely in the future. Semiconductor production and leading countries. Semiconductor production involves a complex manufacturing process, including stages such as crystal growth, wafer fabrication, and device assembly. The production of semiconductors requires specialized equipment, highly trained technicians, and significant investment in research and development. Currently, the leading countries in semiconductor production are Taiwan. Taiwan is the world's leading producer of semiconductors, with companies such as TSMC, UMC, and MediaTek headquartered there. Taiwan accounts for approximately 60% of global foundry production and is home to some of the world's largest semiconductor manufacturing plants. South Korea. South Korea is a significant producer of memory chips, with Samsung and SK Hynix being among the world's largest manufacturers. South Korea is also a leader in semiconductor equipment manufacturing. United States. The United States is a major producer of semiconductors, with companies such as Intel, Qualcomm, and Micron Technology based there. The U.S. is also a leader in semiconductor design and development. Japan. Japan is a major producer of semiconductors, with companies such as Toshiba, Renesas Electronics, and Sony being among the world's largest manufacturers. Japan is also a leader in semiconductor materials and equipment. China. China is rapidly increasing its semiconductor production capabilities, with companies like SMIC and HiSilicon expanding their manufacturing capabilities. China also invests heavily in semiconductor research and development to become a leading producer. Taiwan. Semiconductor products and nanodevices dependent countries. The production of semiconductors and nanodevices in Taiwan has significant global implications, as many countries depend on Taiwanese companies for these products. Microprocessors and microcontrollers. Taiwan is a significant producer of microprocessors and microcontrollers, with companies such as TSMC and MediaTek manufacturing these products for use in a wide range of electronic devices. Memory chips. Taiwanese companies such as nanotechnology and Winbond Electronics produce a range of memory chips, including dynamic random access memory, DRAM, and flash memory. Optoelectronics. Taiwanese companies such as Epistar and Lexstar Electronics produce a range of optoelectric devices, including LEDs and laser diodes. Sensors. Taiwanese companies such as Delta Electronics and Everlight Electronics produce a range of sensors, including image, pressure, and temperature sensors. Power devices. Taiwanese companies such as Lite-On Technology and PowerChip Technology produce a range of power devices, including power management ICs and MOSFETs. Some countries highly dependent on Taiwan for semiconductors and nanodevices include the United States, Japan, South Korea, China, and many others. Any disruptions in the supply chain from Taiwan could significantly impact the global electronics industry. How Taiwan has grown fast in the semiconductor sector and possible growths in the last 20 years. Taiwan has overgrown itself in the semiconductor sector over the last 20 years due to a combination of factors, including government policies, investment in research and development, and a skilled workforce. One of the critical drivers of Taiwan's success in the semiconductor industry has been the government's support for the sector. In the 1980s, the Taiwanese government launched a series of initiatives to promote the development of the semiconductor industry, including tax incentives, investment in infrastructure, and funding for research and development. Another critical factor has been the investment in research and development by Taiwanese semiconductor companies, particularly in process technology and design. Taiwanese semiconductor manufacturers have focused on developing advanced manufacturing processes and investing in the latest equipment to produce high-quality, high-performance semiconductors. Taiwan's skilled workforce has also played a crucial role in the semiconductor industry's growth. Taiwanese universities have produced a large number of highly skilled engineers and scientists who have been able to apply their knowledge to the semiconductor industry. Over the last 20 years, Taiwan has experienced significant growth in the semiconductor sector, with its companies becoming major players in the industry. For example, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, was founded in 1987 and has become a dominant semiconductor industry. Taiwanese companies such as UMC, MediaTek, and nanotechnology have overgrown them in recent years. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.
To learn more about nanotechnology, stay tuned, connect with us, and subscribe to our channel.